So friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm showing if you guys facing DirectX 12 is not supported on your system, try running without DX12 or D3D12 command line argument error problem in your Marvel Rivals game. So guys, watch this video till end and follow the solution. Do like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So the first solution is check your DirectX version. You can follow the instruction from Microsoft Knowledge Base to learn how to run dxdiag.exe at the bottom of the system tab. The one open by default, you will find the line DirectX version. If your DirectX is below 12, then unfortunately you will not be able to launch the client. You will need a new GPU which does support DirectX 12. If your DirectX is 12, then go to the next step. The next solution is update your system. A vast majority of the users were able to fix this specific issue by updating their system. First, GPU drivers. It is very important that you use the latest driver available for your GPU. Please visit either NVIDIA or AMD website based on your GPU and follow their instructions. The second step is Windows. It is as important to make sure you are running the latest version of Windows. Please visit Microsoft Knowledge Center to learn how to keep your Windows up to date. If you are using Windows 10, please run dxdiag.exe at look at the third line saying operating system. The Windows 10 build needs to be 1909 or higher. So this is the two solutions. Now for you, bonus step. The bonus step is clear cache of the system. I hope guys you understand what I am saying. Do like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.